I'm gonna start with the eyes as always, and I want to put this painter to make sure I will get my color that I want. And as an eyeshadow, I am going to use these 3 aqua colors. It has to create this kind of color.
For a second, now let me explain. See, I'm not trying to take you down, I'm trying to take away pain. Try my best to refrain from being the same as all these other low lifes that probably don't remember your name. And all your exes sitting left, I'm trying to home run, trying to make you happy, make a difference in the long run. So trust me when I say I'm swollen shut. I'm spilling out my heart because you opened up, and now I'm going dumb when we touch. Yeah, I'm not saying that we're picture perfect, but I'm saying that we fit proportion. I'm showing you that we're more than.
I'll go with the blackest black, which is hyper black 65 Chanel calligraphy de Chanel.
You don't have to tell yourself that that's the reason why we're in relation. I'm just trying to see a
Just
smile
at
on
the
your
corner.
face. Make this chapter permanent, no need to change your pages.
Now try first with a smaller eyeliner, and then if I don't like it, I'll just do a bigger one. That'll be the size and shape that I want to create, though I don't want to extend it too much, but I just wanted a bigger eyeliner at the edge. But now I want to connect the color with the end of the eyeliner, so I'm gonna use a little bit more of product.
Once I make it, you'll have everything you want. I'll put you at the top when I get on.
For the mouth, I want to use the Givenchy number 5 because that is the closest to Dior liquid matte 999. I'll shape the mouth first. Again, exaggerating here on top. When I reshape the edges, this is how it's gonna look like. So a lot more on top and bottom. And you can even continue going down. And I want to use this brush.
Open up your ears for a second. Now let me explain. See, I'm not trying to take you down, I'm trying to take away pain. Try my best to refrain from being the same as all these other low lifes that probably don't remember your name. And all your exes sitting left, I'm trying to home run, trying to make you happy, make a difference in the long run. So trust me when I say I'm swollen shut. I'm spilling out my heart because you opened up, and now I'm going dumb when we touch.
I really like the color.
I'm not saying that we're picture perfect, but I'm saying that we fit proportion. I'm showing
The
you
fact that it's being matte, so it's kind of making my mouth look bigger.
But you don't have to tell yourself that that's the reason why we're in relation. I'm just trying to see a smile on your face and make this chapter permanent, no need to change your pages.
I want the eyebrows dark and thicker, so I will go for this color here. Maybe I can mix it a little bit with this and then see how it goes. I would rather put on top than the bottom.
You always say I'm changing, but I only change the pace. You're following your dreams, and I know
Not
I do
too
the same.
close
But
to
see,
the eye.
lately you're the only thing I'm needing that I chase. And I hate the fact that you only listen to what they say. I've never been the type to listen.
Okay, and this is the thickness and darkness that I want to
Everything I'm seeing comes to life, and I don't see fake. I only see the real.
create.
Probably why I fell in. I'm writing all these letters, you would think that I'm a felon. I'm going crazy, always buying what you're selling. And yeah, I know I'm stubborn, I hear nothing like I'm helen, but once
I'm just gonna add a little bit of contour and a little bit of color. Tom Ford bronzing powder. So yeah, that will be the final look.